Stop watching from the sidelines and start building. Most people think creating a cryptocurrency is a mystery reserved for elite developers. They're wrong. Today, I am pulling back the curtain. Welcome to the Wolver channel, your premier resource for blockchain development and crypto entrepreneurship. In this masterclass, I'm going to guide you through the entire process of creating, deploying, and launching your very own token on a major blockchain. Whether your goal is to launch a utility project, a community-driven meme coin, or revolutionary DeFi protocol, this is the only guide you need. But a word of warning, this isn't just another basic tutorial. I'm giving you practical, high-value knowledge that can change your financial trajectory. Pay close attention because in the world of blockchain, precision is everything. So why should you create your own token? Beyond the technical challenge, the potential is massive. First, there's the income potential. You can implement transaction taxes to earn passive income. Second, you can build a dedicated community around a shared vision. Third, it's a powerful tool for fundraising through pre-sales or IDOs. And finally, the educational value alone is worth its weight in gold. You are gaining hands-on experience in the fastest-growing industry on the planet. This is your opportunity to enter the crypto space with real authority. Let's get to work. Step 1 is setting up your development environment. We'll be using Remix IDE. This is an industry-standard browser-based platform used by top Solidity developers. The beauty of Remix is that there's nothing to install. It's powerful. It has a built-in compiler, and it allows you to deploy to almost any major blockchain like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or Polygon with just a few clicks. Simply open your browser and navigate to remix.ethereum.org. It's clean, it's fast, and it's where the magic happens. Step 2. Creating your smart contract. In the File Explorer on the left, click Create New File. Name it something like mytoken.sol. That .sol extension is vital. It tells the system you're writing in Solidity, the language of the blockchain. Now, a standard token contract needs 4 things: a name, a symbol, a total supply, and decimal places, usually 18. This code is the law of your project. If you want a professional-grade, secure, and pre-audited contract to ensure your project is safe from day one, don't risk it with copy-pasted code. Contact me directly via the Telegram link in the description for a custom, optimized solution. Once your code is ready, move to Step 3, compiling. Navigate to the Solidity Compiler tab, select the version that matches your code, and hit Compile. When you see that green check mark, you're ready for the big moment. Step 4, deployment. This is where your token goes live. In the Deploy and Run tab, switch your environment to Injected Provider to connect your MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Ensure you have a little bit of gas money in your wallet for the network fees. Double-check your token name and symbol one last time. Now hit that Deploy button and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Listen closely. Once you click Confirm, your token is permanently written into the blockchain's history. Step 5. Verifying and importing. After the transaction is confirmed, Remix will provide your unique contract address. Copy this immediately. It is the DNA of your project. To see your tokens, open your wallet, click Import Token, and paste that address. The name and symbol should pop up automatically. Congratulations! You are now the official owner and creator of your very own cryptocurrency. But remember, creating the token is just the beginning. To build real value, you need to focus on building an engaged community, establishing liquidity pools, and executing a marketing strategy that works. If you want one-on-one coaching to take your project from a simple token to a multi-million-dollar ecosystem, reach out to me for personalized guidance. If this tutorial helped you, show some support. Like this video, subscribe to Wolver, and drop your project ideas in the comments below. I read every single one. Take action today, build your future, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's build real wealth together.